Welcome back to Overheat, Mitsubishi Motorhome 2026, Unrestricted Adventure, Unwavering Comfort. Exterior, advanced all-wheel drive AWD. This motorhome can handle a variety of road conditions thanks to Mitsubishi's upgraded Super Select for WD2 system. Incorporated solar panels. In addition to being aerodynamic, the roof has high-power, flexible solar panels that are completely incorporated. Intelligent external storage. The car is equipped with a number of easily accessible, weatherproof external storage spaces. Adaptive lighting. Using matrix technology, adaptive LED headlights not only optimize road illumination but also modify their light pattern. Interior kitchen features a huge sink with a fold-out faucet, a large refrigerator freezer with a freezer compartment option, a convection microwave, a 2-burner induction cooktop, and plenty storage space for groceries and kitchenware. There is a cozy queen-size mattress with a spring system that can be adjusted. Advanced connectivity and entertainment. Almost all car functions, including navigation, entertainment, and lighting and temperature, are managed by an integrated touchscreen. A high-end sound system, a satellite TV antenna, and 5 Wi-Fi are available. Interior design that is both ergonomic and aesthetically pleasing makes use of premium materials like lightwood, fabrics that don't become stained, and matte metal surfaces. Plug-in hybrid PHEV or hybrid. Mitsubishi is probably going to use PHEV technology from its SUV models, which would provide outstanding fuel economy, short-range all-electric driving, and extra power for onboard devices. Clean diesel engine. If diesel engines are still available, they will be very effective and adhere to strict international pollution regulations. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision mitigation, and a 360-degree camera for safe navigation in confined spaces. Integrated smart home operate. Using a smartphone app, users may remotely monitor and operate a number of the motorhome's features.